Presenting, iQOO Neo 10 smartphone. It is available in 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM and 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. It is available in colors, Inferno Red, and Titanium Chrome. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It gives a 1.5K AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 5500 nits peak brightness, for unmatched clarity. It features shoot stunning portraits and videos, with a 50-megapixel Sony sensor, 4K 60 frames per second, rear and front video recording, and built-in WAV for pro-level stability. Smarter AI features such as AI Erase, Circle to Search, AI Image Expander, AI Photo Enhance, and more. Powered by the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Neo 10 hits an AnTuTu score of 2.42 mN+, delivering top-tier speed and performance. Its powerhouse endurance with a 7000 mAh, silicon blue volt battery, and 120 watts flash charge, all in an 8.09mm ultra-slim, lightweight design. The box contains cell phone, eject tool, warranty card, quick start guide, phone case, charger, and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.